What's up, guys? It's Frank from Graybird Garage. So we got the Corvette up on jack stands today, and we're going to be doing an oil change. Now, I don't know how old the oil is that's been in the car. Obviously it was sitting for a while, and I haven't been able to do the oil change because I wasn't able to jack the car up safely. But now that the cross member is repaired, and I actually had him weld a jacking plate on the bottom of the cross member to prevent further damage when you jack the car up. But we're able to get it up on jack stands, and we're gonna do an oil change. So an oil change is it's one of the most basic automotive maintenance procedures that are out there. Now, in this particular case, a lot of people were recommending different oils for this car. It's a small block Chevy. It's not necessarily an uncommon car, but it is an older one. So I was told by many different sources to source an oil that has a higher zinc content. I actually got some of this from Lucas Oil Products. It's called the Hot Rod and Classic Oil. It's got a high zinc content, and that'll help the small block Chevy. And I still have, if you remember, the car came with a bunch of these AC Delco OE oil filters. So we're gonna be using that. And now that the car's up in the air, we're gonna go ahead and drain it, fill it back up, new filter, start it up and see what happens. All right, so we're underneath the car now, and you can see the drain plug and the oil filter are both right here, easily accessible. On this car, it's a 3/4 inch bolt to drain the oil. So let's go ahead and get this in. It's pretty loose to begin with. Generally, you can get these oil filters off by hand. You're not really supposed to go much tighter than tight with them. So, get the oil filter down. Alright, now most of the oil's out, and we're down to a little drip in the space out of the drain plug. Make it nice and tight, but not too tight. That's good. And then we put a new oil filter on. Just make sure you lubricate that rubber gasket with a little bit of new oil before you put it on. And let's stay up in here and go. You really want to be a little bit more than hang tight on the oil filter. Wipe everything down, double check it, and you're basically good to go underneath. So now that the oil's all drained out, we've changed out the oil filter, it's time to fill it back up. So, gotta get our oil down in there. Just grab a funnel and 5 quarts and throw it in and we'll be good. All right, the oil is all in, all 5 quarts. The next thing I'm gonna do while I'm under here is change out this fuel filter. I do have a bunch of these inline filters that'll go right there. And then we'll be ready to fire it back up. All right, so the oil change is done. New fuel filters installed. Let's start it up and make sure there's no leaks and make sure we're good to go. There you have it, guys. It's kind of basically the same procedure for almost every vehicle when it comes to an oil change. And like I said, it's one of the basic vehicle maintenance procedures that I think everybody should do. Doesn't take very long to do and save you money too. So hope I was able to help you guys out. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys out there.